Okay. Modifying dictionary elements. Dictionaries are mutable. What do I mean by mutable? Mutable means they are easy to change. We can change them. You can add, update, or delete elements. So here it's just printing the student dictionary. That's it. Update the value. Okay, let me just copy this so that you can see that. Okay, so I want to update the age here for this particular student. Okay, I can do like this. But you remember in tuples are immutable, right? So they were not supporting this item assignment. If you remember that error, see, name, couple, age is 33 and grade is A. So I was able to change the value by this step. So how do Python know it has to change this value? Because I was using the key. So what Python did, student in age, what is the age? I have to change the value of age. Age age change 32 to 33, and then print the student. That's it. And if I need to change another value like this address, so address is not there, by the way, added a new key and value. So if address is not there in this dictionary, what will happen? Address got added. Address as a key and then India as an value is added when I use this. Okay. If it would have been the part of here, then the value would have replaced. But if it's not there, then it will get added. So now let's say you might say, okay, I got a chance. My address from India became to USA. Okay, you see, now address was there, so there is no need to add another element. Okay, earlier there was no address, here there was no address, right? So it added it. But once it is added, I can easily change. Okay. So let's say I don't want to show the grids. Okay, I don't want to show the grid, so I can use a function which is called as a del. So what del will do, it can delete student grade, delete key and value pair. So although I'm using only grade here, but it let's see, it will delete the complete pair itself. What is the complete pair? Pair means key and value pair, this complete. Even though I'm giving grade here, but it will delete grade as well as the value A. Okay. Now in dictionary methods, yeah, dictionary methods. Okay. Let me just copy this again. Let me take this again as an example. Let me place it here and let me comment this. Okay. So there is a function. So let's say there is I want to print only the keys. What do I mean by keys? I want to print only couple, only, oh sorry, only name, only age and only grade to get all the keys. So one way is I can run a for loop and then I can collect these values. But the other way is I can use a ready to use function, student dot keys. So it is readily available, so it will return me the all the keys. Okay, you see, name, age and grade. Name, age and grade. Very simple, right? If I want to return values, I can use a values function. I will get all the values. So dictionary values couple 32A. Simple, right? If I want to return a pair to get all key and values as a pair. Okay. See name, Kapil, age 32, grade A. So I can get it right.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.